This Adsterra Monetag automation strategy is going to simply help you a lot if you have a standard well-developed website blog, right? So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how this works and how you can actually set it up legitimately without stressing it out, okay? So if you come over to one of my websites right here, one thing I want you to pay close attention is this: the bounce rate, which is 23, which is very much okay. So if you don't know what bounce rate is all about, bounce rate is the rate at which people visit your website and stay longer, all right? So if they visit immediately and goes out immediately, that means your bounce rate will be much more higher. If you have from 40 downward, the bounce rate is okay, but if you have from 50 upward, then you have to actually fix this stuff that I'm about showing you right here in this very video, okay? If your bounce rate is always going up and you're monetized with Adsterra Monetag, then your impressions will be lower, your CPM will also be lower, right? So if my team have already built your website, the next you need to do is simply log into that particular website. As if my team have already embedded your Adsterra ad code, then you have nothing to worry about, okay? If you go to this section that says website and you click on this section that says add unit, all right, most of you end up adding pop on there, and this particular stuff right here, which they said is the best, will keep on adding advertisement that can actually make people to go out from your website, okay? And that the direction alone can actually cause higher bounce rate on your website. So once you have your website fully monetized, leave it the way it is. Stop adding advertisement that can actually cause you higher bounce rate. That's the number one thing you have to make sure you pay close attention to. And once you have this in place, the second step for this automation to work for you is to head straight to your website. You can see right here we have a lot of blog content on this particular website, and we publish every single day on this video website, okay? You can see 2 hours ago, 16 hours ago, and a lot of that. We have over 533 total posts on this particular website, and that's the reason why we are getting much traffic, okay? Most of you don't have up to 20 posts on your website. Most of you don't even have up to 100 posts, up to 200 posts, all right, on your website, and you are battling with traffic. No, the first thing you need to do is to pull up content on your website. That's the first thing you need to do. Pull up content on your website. If you have at least 300 content, 500 content, then you can actually set up this particular automation that I'm about showing you right now, okay? When you don't have time to write, go back and revisit the old blog content you've already written, re-update them, add some details, add some other details, and make them fresh again, and they will come back to life again, and people will read them again. And that same blog content that gave you impression few months ago will still give you impression in this same month, okay? And because there are a lot of posts on this particular website, we'll end up going back to the first post, doing it for the first 100 or the first 200. If you do it like that manually, it's going to simply weigh you down, and also it will take much time from you, all right? So how do you do it? What you need to do is simply install this particular automation plugin, which is going to simply help revive all your old posts, make them come back to life, and you can actually add more details to that particular post, and that single setup alone can help you get more traffic, okay? And all of your old content will feel like brand new content, and people will keep on revisiting every single time. Here, go to your blog website, click on this section that says plugins, all right? Go ahead and search for Revive. Okay, so this is what we have here. We have the Revive, and you can actually go ahead and install this very plugin right here. Install this plugin, or you install this particular one right here. So any of them can actually go, okay? So this one is active already. So once you have this plugin installed, the next thing you need to do is simply go back to your plugin section right here. Click on this section that says RevivePress, then go to dashboard. Click on the general button right here. Make sure you activate it, okay? So once you activate it, you have to select the number of posts that will be updated every single day, okay? So I can decide to go with 1. You have to select the time interval between which each particular post will go live, okay? So you can actually select 15 minutes, or you select 6 hours or 8 hours, okay? So whichever one you want to use. Then the next you need to do is simply select the days. The posts that will be updated are posts that are within 30 days and above, right? So if your post is 30 days old, it can actually be updated, and you can add more details. You can add more details, add more screenshots, add more updates, add more tips, and all of that, okay? Based on the type of content you will publish, okay? Make sure you select Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, okay? So remember I told you have to make sure you have at least 200 posts on your website already, sitting on your website already, before you can actually get this done. Don't just relax because you have 50 blog posts, because you have 100 blog posts, you keep revolving on that. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to keep on writing new content, okay? That you're updating your old content doesn't mean that you have to stop writing quality good new content, okay? So you have to simply keep writing content and also keep updating your old quality content, okay, and adding more updates to them, all right? And that's going to simply help you. And this is the very best automation that is working right now for Adsterra Monetag. Once you have the settings, click on the save button right here. you have that in place, click on this section that says conditions right here. Click on it. Under the condition, you have to make sure you select 30 days. All right, so posts that are within 30 days and above can actually get updated. All right, click on the filter option. All right, so this is going to simply be going to only posts. All right, so once you have that in place, scroll down and click on the saving button. But before you click on that, make sure you click on the visibility right here. You can actually decide to show the original publication date or you leave it. Okay, so let's say we want to add it to the after content or before content. Okay, so we have that in place already, and that's going to simply help you tell people that this post has been updated, new details have been added, new content has been added. You can add new screenshot, new video, you can embed videos. Each time this particular to publish a content, you can actually go ahead and revisit it to make sure that everything is correct, that you're adding the right details. Okay, click on the save button right here. Okay, and this will be saved for you. Okay, so it has been saved. And the next thing to do is to come to this section right here that says scheduled task. Okay, so this is where you're going to simply see all the tasks right now being pending, right, for that particular time you've already set up to come to pass. Right, so once the time come up, the post will go live immediately. Right, and you can actually go ahead and add more detail. And to make it faster, if you want it to start publishing now, you can actually click on the run button and this will be running instantly for you. Okay, so let's wait for it. You can see right here, this is what we have here, successful, and this is running globally right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to our website right now. You can see right here a new post has been published just right now. Okay, a few seconds ago. You can see right here a few seconds ago how to actually monetize your traffic with AdMob. All right, a complete guide. And if you click on this particular post right now, you're gonna see you can decide to edit it and add more content, add more update, and update some information on that particular post, and that's going to simply help you stay compliant with this particular automation. You can see the date, you're going to see the main published date down below as we set it up to be. All right here. Okay, you can see the original published date right now. So we didn't start this blog just today. Okay, so this blog has been helping us a whole lot. So this is basically how you can actually run this particular automation blog, but this particular setup is halfway if you don't connect to your social media platform automatically. All right, so that when this particular update is done, automatically your social media will carry it. Your Pinterest, your Instagram, your Facebook, your X, and all that stuff will carry it. Okay, so what you need to do right now is simply come over to this video section right here, go to your plugin, go to your dashboard section, come to this section right here that says Jetpack, click on settings, click on this section that says connect account and configure social sharing. Okay, you can connect many accounts. You can connect Facebook, Mastodon, Nextdoor, Thread, and other platforms. All right, each time you publish a post, automatically they're going to simply go straight to your pages. Okay, and that's going to simply help you gain more new audience to revisit, as long as you've already published good number of quality content on your website. Okay, so if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next update.